takes some time.
Once again, that small round.
Thank you.
Dear Minister, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Investment and Development Agency of Latvia, I would like to thank you for attending Deep Tech Atelier. This year, the event takes place for a second time, and we can be proud of more than 700 visitors from more than 30 countries. Nowadays, we can't imagine our life without technologies. Deep technologies are more socially relevant, are seeking to make the world a better place, and we do make the world better. In addition to the goal of changing the world, deep technology companies are also an attractive investment opportunity. And here we come as a mediator between technology scientists and entrepreneurs. We bring together science with entrepreneurs. A conference where someone just talks and someone just listens is a little bit an outdated model. Of course, we are still interested in the experience of new scientific achievements, success stories from previous years. So here someone will talk and someone will listen as well. But our goal is also to offer a practical training and meeting opportunities that will result in something special. Our experience shows that these events can create new teams and new startups. For example, a year ago, at least 10 new startup teams were born in our Deep Tech Atelier. We have great ambitions. Riga has already become a Baltic-level startup support and innovation development center. Deep technology development requires state support. It is a common practice in the world. Therefore, the Investment and Development Agency of Latvia provides support programs for scientists, commercialization of science, and innovative startups. It's very likely that cooperation between science and businesses can lead to a number of globally recognized companies in such areas as smart materials and others. We already have success stories. The world is changing, and we have to change with it, or we must be the ones who change the world. Our scientists and businessmen are already developing such industries as robotics, artificial intelligence, and quantum computers. Objectively speaking, there's reason to believe that recognizable deep tech companies will emerge in Latvia. Our scientific capacity and openness of business environment create conditions for young talents and investors across Europe. I believe many success stories will be written in our Deep Tech Atelier. I'm sure that this year you will have the opportunity to establish a successful cooperation, find investors, business partners, and scientists to work with. I wish you inspiration. The time is money, so let's spend the time productively. Thank you.